Didn't see it count down. Sorry if that started a little weird. I was waiting for my countdown, which didn't pop up. All right. Apparently, it thinks I know what I'm doing here or something. We don't know. I'm just making this up as I go. I'm just kidding. Eureka Math Squared, Module 2. 2 right there. Homework helper for lesson 17. Okay. All right. Fill in the blanks on the number line. Then complete the statement. So it looks like we're doing conversions. Conversions. All right. This is how many feet are in 11 yards. How many feet are in 11 yards? All right. So we have 6 yards equals 18 feet. 7 yards equals 21 feet. 8 yards equals 24 feet. 9 yards equals blank. 10 blank. 11 blank. All right. So let's figure this out. Well, you should remember today that a yardstick is 3 yards. Maybe you didn't, but we're going to go over that today. 1 yardstick is 3 yards. So, I'm sorry, 1 yardstick is 3 feet. That makes it 1 yard. So if 1 yard is 3 feet, that means I'm going to multiply however many yards I have times 3 to see how many feet I have, right? So 6 times 3, is that 18? 7 times 3, is that 21? 8 times 3, is that 24? The answer is yes, yes, and yes. Okay, so let's keep going. 9 times 3. Well, it's just 3 bigger than this. If we add 3 on that, we get 27. And then 3 times 10, which is bigger than this, and then 3 times 11 is 3 bigger than this. So we're going to do that. So there are 33 feet in 11 yards. There are blank inches in 6 feet. Oh, okay. Inches in 6 feet. Well, 2 feet. See, there's a typo here. This should be 24 inches. So they made a mistake. This should be 3 feet has 36 inches. Okay. So we're multiplying by 12 because 1 foot has 12 inches. So 2 feet has 24 inches. 3 feet has 36 inches. 4 feet has, you got to figure that one on your own. Go all the way up to 6 feet. So 6 times 12. And that'll give us our answer for here. All right, let's try and get a little tricky here. How many feet are in 4 yards and 2 feet? Well, if we have 2 yards is 6 feet, and 3 yards is 9 feet. 3, 6, 9. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 6, 9. What and what? Okay. Remember, it wants to know there are blank feet. So in 4 yards and 2 feet. So whenever you find out how many feet, when you find this one, you're just going to add that plus the 2 feet and write that for total feet in here. Okay, don't let it confuse you. That's all you have to do. Then same concept over here. 4 feet 9 inches. Find out how many inches are in 4 feet. See, they fixed it right here. That typo's gone. They fixed it right here. There are 4 feet. Find out how many inches are in 4 feet, then add that to 9. All right. Down here is kind of the same thing. The chart up here should be able to help you some with figuring this out. But just convert 3 yards and 1 foot equals how many feet? We know there's 3 feet in a yard, so 3 times 3 is going to give us 9 feet plus 1 foot. Pencil's not working. 9 feet plus 1 foot equals 10 feet. All right. Good thing it's not 9 feet. Someone would only have 1 foot. They'd have to hop a little bit, but they'd still make that work, right? It's people with 1 less foot, 1 less arm, less hand always find a way to do it, and they always get it done the right way. It always comes out amazing. But I keep having kids losing shoes. So then they're hopping on 1 foot because they've lost a shoe. How do you lose your shoe? I was walking down the hallway the other day. There's 2 shoes sitting by our recess door. No kids. It's not boot season here yet. And there's just 2 shoes there. So, sorry. Sometimes I just wonder, where'd the kid go? That's all I want to know. Where'd the kid go? All right. Multiply 26 times 3. You don't need me to help you with that. You got that. And then the value of the underlined 7, the underline is blank times as much as the value of the circle 7. So how much more is this 7 worth than this 7? Okay, write that down. That completes our homework for this week. Hope you guys had a good week. I hope this helped. Remember, you're in my class, Mr. Short's class over here in Dearborn, going to elementary school. We don't do homework on Fridays in my class. No homework on Fridays. If you're a teacher, you're somewhere else, your teacher makes you do homework, I'm sorry. I'm not going to have that lesson helper out there, but hopefully you've been paying attention to all the other stuff, and hopefully that helps you. Have a great night, and we will see you on the next video.